Need to check your open and closed Cashups? Simply navigate to the Unity Point of Sale login screen. Log into the Point of Sale Springboard menu by using your unique access code or by scanning your fingerprint. Select the Cashups feature. By default, you'll see all the open Cashups from when trading began for the day. It will display information like Cashup 4, Cashup type, started time, last updated time, last saved time, as well as the option to start the Cashup or print the Cashup. If you need to view the closed Cashups, simply click on the Closed option at the top right of the screen. This will display a list of all the closed or finalized Cashups. It will display information like Cashup 4, Cashup type, started time, completed by, as well as the option to reprint the Cashup.